I have a few things I have to say, but I have some notes that I'm going to go into the campaign. You know, without all of our volunteers and people constantly helping us, you know, we would not be here today. With telling you a little bit about the campaign, also some notes, stuff that's going on with volunteers. I want to tell you what's happening today. We live in a world that, you know, there's a lot of stuff going on, you know, sometimes getting taxed. You know, I remember we were just going to Florida, you know, and just going to Florida, I was paying $70 a toll, you know, just going on vacation, you know. And you know, today, younger generation, especially my generation, always more dependent today on family and friends, you know, than ever before. It used to be, I always heard a story, you know, 13 years old, 100 years ago, you know, you're working, you're already getting ready, shit up, marriage, this and that, you know. Today, you can be 23, 24, and, you know, still, you know, you don't know where you want to be at, you know. So, you know, that's one thing I want to kind of mention. I want to tell you a great story with the judge, you know.
Which judge?
Judge Schmidt. That,
Mr. Schmidt.
Mr. Schmidt. That I had with him that was, you know, a great experience and admiration that he was to me. Yes.
Was it the Shulchan Aruch?
When I was a young kid, you know.
Shulchan Aruch right here.
When I was a young kid and I graduated early and I got my high school diploma, and I went straight to college, and that's when I was heading for my degree, bachelor's degree, and then I was considering going for law. I entered in the judge's room, you know, and I was there with my grandmother who had, you know, a bunch of cases and you know, that she had. And one thing that I knew about the judge is that no matter what happened, when I was a kid, I still remember, like, he pulled me over when I was a young kid over there, and at 17 years old, he said, it's like the passion he has to help and to pass cases to give back to the community. You know, he did the most that he ever did. I remember 17, he says, Mr. Tishler, whatever you want to be, you want to intern for me or this and that, please come to me. I'll be glad to have you help, you know. The work and volunteering Ruchie does for the community is unbelievable, you know. If Ruchie, you know, what Ruchie did today, you know, she always gives back to the, you know, everything she did in her life, she gives back to the community. You know, she started Ezra's Nashim by herself, you know. She gives a passion, you know, to start something. Yeah. Okay. So the campaign is not about us. The campaign is about public service, and public service is as it serve us, and what Ruchie has constantly done to help us, you know, to constantly give back, start Ezra's Nashim, you know, constantly being there to help out people. You know, that's what the campaign is about. It's about all of us being there and constantly being able to help out people in the community, you know.
How many signatures?
Okay, so